Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I upload a video, you guys will be able to see it. All right, guys, so it is Sunday. It is 9:30 and I'm waiting for the Costco drop outside of one of my favorite Costcos. I have to stop at 3 because I have to get my daughter. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, so I just swiped on the order. It's pressed on the order for $57. Only thing is like 48 items. And the crazy thing was, I think I should have waited a little longer, but I wasn't really seeing nothing, you know, so I just grabbed it. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's try to get this done as fast as possible. Yo, that batch, it was just too much. It was just too much. Like, it's 11:30. It took way too long to do it. The store was too crowded. And like, I'm not doing that no more. Like, if it ain't $100 batch, I am not accepting no 40 item orders. Like, I'm out here tripping right now. And I purposely refunded the customer for 3 items. Call me what you want, but there was nothing else fitting on top of the flatbed. And I wanted to get the hell out of the store. And I wasn't lugging that thing around the store looking for some items that wasn't in the place it was supposed to be at. I'm done. I'm not doing it. So let's go drop this off to the customer, and we taking small orders for the rest of the day. Yeah, I am like approaching the customer's house, customer A house, the customer that got all these items, and I'm starting to get mad. Like, it looked like they in an apartment, y'all. Like, I'm not in the mood to be like, they got like, oh my god, like they have gallons of water, they got case of water, they got all this stuff. Like, I do not want to be dropping this off to no apartment. Oh, well, someone's in a rush. But yo, like, let's see what happens, y'all. I'm gonna need y'all to pray for me with this. This looks like this about to be some bull-ish. Yeah, I've been sitting here for like 4 minutes. This guy obviously don't have the pin to get inside of this complex, and he pissing me off. Yeah, this order all the way around the board is just pissing me off. Like, I need this guy that don't know the code to move out my way. But here's the funny part, I don't know no damn code either. Like, the customer not answering the phone. Like, I'm calling the customer not answering the phone. This guy's stuck here without a code. Now I look like he's trying to back up. Please don't hit my car, sir. Let's see what happens.
El cliente de servicio móvil al que llama no se encuentra disponible. Favor de intentar más tarde. Message 1, US 01 LV. The wireless customer you are calling is not available.
All right, since that order over, now I can ask y'all a question. Like, how, like, are those code things to get in people's house? Like, is that a phone? Like, how am I putting your code in and it's saying I got the wrong number? Like, what is going on? And then I didn't even get to catch it on film what ended up happening right after I like cut the camera off, so I could try to figure it out. Like, a little alarm start going off. Like, and then I have a question, another question. Put this in the comments. Do y'all be getting people that be asking y'all to like bring the groceries inside their house? Because that same customer was like, oh, can you bring it inside like the house so that way I'm able to close the door? I'm like, no, I can't do that. Nah, listen, I watch too much Law and Order and Chicago PD, all right? Like, I ain't putting nothing in your house. You could be a killer, a serial killer. Oh yeah, they be women too. Like, I'm not putting nothing in your house. Like, no. Like, I don't know what's up with these people. What's wrong with them? All right, guys, so I accepted a Doordash order for $7.75. It's only going 1 mile. It's a Chipotle order. I already picked up the food, and now I'm gonna drop it off. I don't know what's going on with Instacart, but all the orders seem like to be 40 items and up. Yeah, and I'm not doing it. I don't care. Even if it's for $50, I'm not doing it. So Let me go drop this order off. Alright guys, so I just did an Instacart batch. It was really small. It was only for $18, but it's only going a couple of miles. It was for like maybe 20 items, I think. Now that is, you know, I really didn't want to take it, but like I said, there's really no good orders right now, and I didn't want to sit around and wait around, so I just took it. But it only took me 15 minutes to do it, so that's the great part. And now I'm en route to drop it off to the customer. So let's go. Alright guys, so I just did a Costco order. It was for, I think either 30, I think it was for like 30 something dollars. I want to say $39. Only one customer. They didn't have that many items. I actually finished the whole entire shopping part in about 20 minutes, but then I had to wait in line for about 15 minutes, and I had to go to self-checkout because the lines was crazy. Like, they was crazy. All right, so it's actually a little after 3 o'clock, and I have to get my daughter. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to drop this off to the customer. The customer is like 20 minutes away, so I'm like late. Good thing my daughter's with her grandfather, so we're good on that note. But I'm gonna drop this off to the customer, go get my daughter, and then come back outside. Yeah. It's a fly in my car. I'm so scared of bugs. I got the windows down, so you might not be able to hear me like that. But I do not like bugs at all. And it's, you know, it's getting warm out. Y'all might see me on video like running from a bug, a bee, fly, whatever, but it's in here. And I don't know if it went out yet. I'm driving. I think it's out. Alright guys, it's out. Pretty sure it's out because it would be flying around. I look a little crazy, don't I? But alright, so I just did a Instacart batch. It was a Stop and Shop order. One customer, new customer. I had to do like 3-4 replacements. It was only like 20 items. I'm gonna put it in the screen. It's for $20, which is fine because it's one customer, and it's only 2 miles away. I'm actually pulling up to their house right now, so I'll be right back. Okay. All right, yeah, so I just dropped it off to the last customer. Now I just accepted an Instacart order. $30, 2 customers, few items, not going that far in miles, maybe like 6 miles, I think. Yeah, my mom got my daughter for me, so I didn't have to stop. So let's go into ShopRite and get this done. I need to start dressing for the weather. Like, I'm so hot right now, and my face so oily. Yeah, so I just need to make $8, and then I hit my goal of $200. So I'm about to turn on Doordash, and either one, I'm not accepting no orders unless it's $8, or maybe a little over $8, like $10, just to make sure somebody decide they want to change their tip or whatever. But yeah, I need to make $8. So let's go out here, make this $8, so that way I can go in the house. Okay, let's go, y'all. Alright guys, so I just accepted my last order. I'm not gonna lie, it's below my standard, but it is what it is. It's a double order on Doordash, $11.50. Panera and Chipotle, but they're right next to each other. It's going 5 miles, but the 5 miles is leading me to my house, so that's the reason why I took it. Like, it is what it is. So this is gonna be the end of this video. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, if you need to leave a comment, leave a comment, you know, even if it's just to say what's up to you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.